What's up, guys? Elmo Fishing here. We're heading out early, about 7:30. So we'll get back to you if we catch some. All right, guys, Elmo Fishing here. I've already missed 2 fish on a spinnerbait already this morning. Not very good, not very happy with it, but got to move on. It's fishing. Got one. Hey guys, just caught this nice fish. I'm gonna guess first, probably say 2.5, 3 pounds.
Still reading, hold on.
Hey guys, just caught a 2 pound, 7 ounces fish. Let's get the release. Here, let me get a picture real quick. Here, just, if you can still record it, there's that button right there.
Let's get the release. Nice fish on the chartreuse spinnerbait. Not back to shore, bud. There we go. Attaboy, big. Let's go. Let's catch some more.
Guys, about to get rigged up. I'm gonna throw this wide head, chartreuse green spinnerbait. What is up, guys? Elmo Fishing here. As you can see, I'm a new fishing channel. I'm not really the best editor. I'm not really the best videoer, as you can see. I'm sorry that the video is pretty short. I really do apologize. I'm still learning the basics. I know that sounds weird, but well, I'm a new fishing channel. I'm going to be doing videos over fishing, as you can tell, mainly. Unboxings and vlogs. So yeah, you guys need to stay tuned, subscribe, like, and comment.